Already started the process. You can see the residue from when I peeled it off, and how it's starting to look now on top. I taped all around. I'm using lacquer thinner and just using the yellow tape to protect the paint around it. But I just kind of wanted to show you. And I'll do that here. I'll put this here. That way you can see a little bit of how it is and how it's coming out. It's not easy. I'm using some rags, old shirts and things that I don't need anymore, don't want, and it doesn't come right off. You really have to, let the product work in it and try to get that out little by little. Easier said than done. But if you're patient with it, you'll be able to get it. You can see all the black here from when the goo is stuck on it, and what it does to how the film would collect that dirt. And well, it just simply didn't look right. You can see it there coming off. As you can see, it's very tedious. It's not just one quick pass. You have to go by little by little, little by little. Notice that it's really important to use different sections. Once you use the rag, shirt, whatever you're using, to take it off, once it's already done its thing, once it's gone in, put on once, don't keep using the same side, because all it does, makes it harder to come off. So use a lot of rags if you have to. It's okay. That's why I like to keep the old shirts and all the older stuff, because you can reuse this stuff all the time. And just like that, this one's pretty much done. This rag. Use another one here. Eventually change it up to another one. All these projects are time consuming. But let's face it, you can pay somebody to do this, or you can do it yourself. Learn. Obviously watch some videos. Don't try to do this stuff without ever looking at a video. Learn from other people's mistakes. especially if you have YouTube. Why try to venture off yourself when you can go over stuff that people have already messed up with? So that's kind of the process. I don't want to show you every single step because the video will be extremely long. But I think the video captures the fact that this is cleaning up using this, and I'll do the same step with that. Then I'll clean it really well, and then I'll start the cleaning and buffing the glass process, which I'll also show you once I get to that part. So that's kind of how it goes, little by little. We'll get it done.